Understanding advanced price action techniques is one of the best skills you can develop as a Forex trader. Price action strips away all the noise and indicators, leaving you with the purest form of market information, price itself. Today on FX Limit, we're diving into the top 5 advanced techniques you can use to read Forex price action like a professional. First up is the concept of liquidity zones. These are areas where big market players place their orders. Think of them as magnets for price. Smart traders don't just chase price, they wait for it to tap into these liquidity zones. The trick is learning how to identify where stop-loss clusters and pending orders are sitting. One subtle way to spot them is by paying attention to price wicks and sudden volume spikes without follow-through. If you combine this with a tool that highlights strong trends, like the Apex Trend Indicator, you can have an even sharper edge because you'll know whether to expect a continuation or a reversal once those zones are tapped. Second, let's talk about the power of internal structure shifts. Most traders recognize the obvious highs and lows, but real price action pros pay attention to smaller breaks in structure within a trend. These mini shifts often happen before a major move. For example, if you're in an uptrend and suddenly small lower lows and lower highs start forming, it could signal that momentum is drying up. Being able to read these small internal breaks allows you to anticipate bigger changes before the crowd does. If you're already using Apex Trend, it can reinforce your analysis with its real-time trend scanner, letting you confirm if your internal structure shift is aligning with a broader trend change. Third on the list is understanding order blocks. These are areas where institutions have previously placed large buy or sell orders. Price often revisits these zones to fill unexecuted orders. Think of order blocks like footprints of the big players. Recognizing these areas and combining them with dynamic support and resistance levels will allow you to find hidden opportunities that many retail traders miss. One helpful way to stay objective is by using tools that provide clean, non-repainting signals like those from Apex Trend, so you don't second-guess yourself when price revisits these critical zones. Next, let's dive into manipulation patterns. Markets don't move in straight lines. Very often, before a big move happens, you'll see fakeouts or sudden stop hunts designed to trap retail traders. Recognizing these manipulation moves is crucial. A common pattern is the false breakout. Price quickly breaks above or below a key level, only to snap back inside the range. To trade these like a pro, you have to think about what the majority is doing and do the opposite. If you use a tool like the Apex Trend Indicator, its success rate-based alerts can help you filter out fakeouts from genuine moves because it calculates entry and exit signals using a high-accuracy algorithm, reducing emotional decision-making. Finally, number 5 is mastering multiple time-frame analysis. Price action doesn't exist in a vacuum. What's happening on the higher timeframes heavily impacts lower timeframes. A common mistake is only analyzing your entry timeframe without checking the bigger picture. The real power lies in aligning multiple timeframes. If you spot a bullish pattern on the 4-hour chart and a breakout on the 15-minute chart, your probability of success increases significantly. The Apex Trend Indicator simplifies this process with its multi-timeframe scanner. You can instantly see the trend direction on all timeframes at a glance, saving you hours of manual analysis. Mastering these 5 techniques can completely transform the way you read the market. And while raw price action reading is an art that improves with practice, using the right tools can dramatically shorten your learning curve. The Apex Trend Indicator was designed to be a reliable partner in your trading journey. It doesn't replace your skill. It enhances it by confirming high probability setups and alerting you to new opportunities across multiple pairs and timeframes. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to FX Limit. And if you want to take your price action skills to the next level with a tool that's built for serious traders, check out the Apex Trend Indicator at fxlimit.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.